What if I told you there's a new kid on the block, shaking up the financial world as we know it? Not just another cryptocurrency, but a revolutionary platform. This is Ethereum, and it's changing how we think about money, investments, and the future of finance. Imagine a world without banks, where you control your own assets. Imagine applications built on a secure, transparent blockchain, revolutionizing industries from gaming to healthcare. This is the promise of Ethereum, and it's closer than you think. Ethereum is more than just a digital currency. It's a decentralized platform for building applications and executing smart contracts. This means that it has the potential to change the way we interact with the internet and with each other. But is it all hype? Or is Ethereum truly the future of finance? Let's dive in and explore the ins and outs of this groundbreaking technology. Ethereum can seem complex, but at its core, it's all about decentralization. It's a platform that allows developers to build and deploy decentralized applications, or dApps, which run on blockchain technology. Unlike traditional systems controlled by central authorities, Ethereum operates on a global network of computers. This decentralized nature ensures that no single entity has control over the entire network. This makes it incredibly secure and transparent. Every transaction is visible to anyone, ensuring a level of trust and security that is hard to achieve with centralized systems. Think of Ethereum as a giant public ledger. This ledger is continuously updated and verified by all the computers in the network, making it a reliable source of truth. Every transaction is recorded and verified by the network, making it virtually impossible to tamper with. This immutability is one of the key strengths of blockchain technology. This revolutionary technology has the potential to disrupt industries like finance, supply chain management, and even art. By providing a transparent and secure way to record transactions, Ethereum is changing the way these industries operate. But what truly sets Ethereum apart is its ability to run smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. These self-executing contracts automate agreements, eliminating the need for intermediaries. This can significantly reduce costs and increase efficiency in various transactions. Imagine buying a house without a real estate agent or lending money without a bank. The possibilities are endless with Ethereum's smart contract capabilities. That's the power of Ethereum. Its potential to revolutionize various sectors is immense, and its applications are only limited by our imagination. With its unique features and growing ecosystem, Ethereum is poised to revolutionize the way we think about finance and technology. The development of decentralized applications is just the beginning. But before you jump on board, it's crucial to understand its journey and future potential. The world of Ethereum is vast and ever-evolving, promising exciting developments ahead. Launched in 2015 by a young programmer named Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum was initially met with skepticism, but its innovative technology and passionate community quickly gained traction. Fast forward to today, and Ethereum has become the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, trailing only Bitcoin. It has weathered storms and emerged stronger, proving its resilience and potential. From the creation of decentralized finance, or DeFi, to the explosion of non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, Ethereum has been at the forefront of blockchain innovation. These milestones have not only shaped the crypto landscape, but also captured the attention of mainstream investors and institutions. Ethereum's journey is a testament to the power of decentralized technology and its potential to disrupt traditional systems. But where is it headed next? Let's delve into the exciting world of Ethereum price predictions. Understanding Ethereum's price history is crucial for any investor. From its humble beginnings to its meteoric rise, Ethereum has experienced significant volatility, leaving many wondering about its future value. In 2021 alone, Ethereum's price skyrocketed, reaching an all-time high, only to experience a significant correction in the following year. This volatility is inherent in the crypto market, driven by factors like market sentiment, regulation, and technological advancements. Despite the fluctuations, many experts remain bullish on Ethereum's long-term prospects. Some predict that Ethereum could even surpass Bitcoin in market capitalization, fueled by its robust ecosystem and growing adoption. However, it's crucial to remember that price predictions are just that, predictions. The crypto market is notoriously unpredictable, and past performance is not indicative of future results. So, how can you potentially profit from Ethereum? Section 5. Ethereum, your gateway to financial freedom. Many believe that Ethereum is more than just an investment. It's a gateway to financial freedom. With its diverse ecosystem and innovative applications, there are numerous ways to potentially generate passive income and grow your wealth. One popular strategy is long-term holding, also known as hodling. This involves buying and holding Ethereum for an extended period, riding out the market volatility, and benefiting from its potential long-term growth. Another option is staking, where you lock up your Ethereum to support the network's security and earn rewards in return. This is a great way to passively earn interest on your holdings while contributing to the Ethereum ecosystem. For the more adventurous, yield farming offers higher potential returns. This involves lending your Ethereum to decentralized protocols and earning interest on your deposit. However, it's important to note that yield farming carries higher risks. Section 6. Navigating the Ethereum investment landscape. Strategies for success. Investing in Ethereum can be lucrative, but it's crucial to approach it with a well-defined strategy. The volatile nature of the cryptocurrency market means that without a solid plan, you could face significant losses. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, understanding the different investment avenues is paramount. Each approach has its own set of risks and rewards, and knowing these can help you make informed decisions. One popular method is trading, which involves buying and selling Ethereum on exchanges to capitalize on price fluctuations. This can be highly profitable if done correctly, but it also requires constant monitoring of the market. However, trading requires knowledge, experience, and a high-risk tolerance. It's not uncommon for traders to experience significant stress and emotional highs and lows. For those seeking exposure to Ethereum without directly owning the asset, Ethereum-based ETFs and index funds offer a regulated and diversified option. These financial instruments can provide a safer way to invest in the cryptocurrency market. These funds track the performance of Ethereum, providing an alternative for institutional and risk-averse investors. They allow you to benefit from Ethereum's growth without the need to manage the asset yourself. Another emerging trend is investing in Ethereum-based projects and decentralized applications, or dApps. This area is rapidly growing and offers unique opportunities for those willing to explore new technologies. This could involve supporting promising startups, participating in token sales, or becoming an early adopter of innovative platforms. By investing in these projects, you can potentially gain significant returns if the projects succeed. Remember, diversification is key to mitigating risk. Spreading your investments across various assets can help protect your portfolio from market volatility. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your investments can provide a safety net and reduce the impact of any single investment's poor performance. Spread your investments across different asset classes and strategies to create a balanced portfolio. This approach can help you achieve long-term financial stability and growth. Section 7. The Ethereum Dilemma, weighing the risks and rewards. While Ethereum presents a world of opportunities, it's essential to acknowledge the inherent risks. The crypto market is highly volatile, and Ethereum is no exception. Its price can fluctuate dramatically, leading to potential losses. Regulation is another significant concern. Governments worldwide are still grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies, and any future regulations could impact Ethereum's price and adoption. Furthermore, Ethereum faces competition from other blockchain platforms vying for market share. While Ethereum remains the dominant platform for smart contracts and dApps, the emergence of competitors could pose challenges in the future. Before investing in Ethereum, it's crucial to conduct thorough research, understand your risk tolerance, and consider seeking advice from a qualified financial advisor. Remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Section 8. The Future of Finance. Is Ethereum the answer? As we stand at the cusp of a new financial era, Ethereum has emerged as a leading contender to reshape the future of finance. With its innovative technology and robust framework, Ethereum is not just another cryptocurrency, it is a platform that promises to redefine how we interact with money and digital assets. Its decentralized nature, smart contract capabilities, and thriving ecosystem have the potential to revolutionize industries and empower individuals. From finance to supply chain management, the applications of Ethereum are vast and varied. Imagine a world where financial transactions are secure, transparent, and accessible to all. A world where trust is built into the system, and every transaction is recorded on an immutable ledger. Imagine a future where intermediaries are replaced by automated smart contracts, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. These smart contracts can execute transactions and agreements automatically, without the need for a middleman. This is the vision that Ethereum offers. A decentralized platform that can host a multitude of applications, all running on a blockchain that ensures security and transparency. While challenges and uncertainties remain, Ethereum's potential impact is undeniable. Issues such as scalability and regulatory concerns need to be addressed, but the progress made so far is promising. Its continued development, growing adoption, and passionate community suggest a bright future for this groundbreaking technology. The Ethereum community is constantly innovating, finding new ways to leverage the platform's capabilities. Only time will tell if Ethereum truly lives up to its promise as the future of finance. The journey is still unfolding, and the potential for growth is immense. But one thing is certain: Ethereum has ignited a spark of innovation that will continue to shape the financial landscape for years to come. Its influence is already being felt, and its legacy is just beginning. Section 9. Join the Ethereum revolution. So, are you ready to be a part of the Ethereum revolution? Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity to learn, invest, and potentially shape the future of finance. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos on Ethereum, cryptocurrencies, and the future of money. Share this video with your friends and family, and let's spread the word about this groundbreaking technology. Leave a comment below, and let me know your thoughts on Ethereum. Do you believe it's the future of finance? What are your investment strategies? Let's start a conversation.